Simplify the expression. Assume that all variables represent positive real numbers. Here we have 3 to the 2/5 power times x to the negative 1/4 times y to the 2/5 all over 3 to the negative 8/5 times x to the 7/4 times y to the 1/10. I'm going to begin here by using our quotient rule. If we are dividing like bases, then we can subtract those exponents. So let's write this as 3 raised to the numerator exponent of 2/5 minus that denominator exponent, which is a negative 8/5, times x raised to the negative 1/4 minus 7/4 times y raised to the 2/5 minus 1/10. Now let's simplify those exponents. Here, minus a negative is plus, so that becomes 3 to the 10/5 times x raised to the negative 1/4 minus 7/4 is a negative 8/4 times y raised to the, well, 2/5 is a 4/10, and 4/10 minus 1/10 is 3/10. Now let's simplify a little further. I'm going to write this 10/5 exponent as a 2, so that's 3 squared, times x to the negative 8 over 4, that's a negative 2, times y to the 3/10. And as a last step, let's call 3 squared the number 9. Let's leave that y to the 3/10 where it is. But since this exponent on the x is negative, let's bring that piece down to the denominator, cross the line, change the sign, and write that as an x to the positive 2. So after simplifying and performing operations, our correct answer is a 9y to the 3/10 over x squared.